In this video, I will show you how to view your saved passwords in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So on Google Chrome, you might have noticed that when you visit certain websites and you need to log into a website, or maybe you've signed up for a new website, generally you're going to get a pop-up asking if you want to save the login, so your password, and this is actually stored on Google Chrome, so you can actually view a list of all your saved passwords for all the different websites that you've chosen to save. Now, to get started, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots up here, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come and hover over the option which says passwords and autofill. On the submenu that comes up, click onto Google Password Manager, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now, from here, you're going to see a list of all the websites that you have saved passwords for. So what you can do is scroll through the list and find the website that you're looking to find a saved password for, or alternatively, there is a search box at the top, which you can use to type the name of the website, and if you've got a saved password, of course, that's going to appear in there. Now, once you've found the website that you want to view a saved password for, let's take Adobe for example, give it a click to be taken to a page like this, and you're going to find all your login details. So if you chose to have a username saved, it's going to be here along with your password as well. And what you can do is click the little eye icon here, which is going to allow you to view your password. You can also edit from here, and if you want to, you can also delete this from your password manager if you no longer want those website details saved in your Google Password Manager. So that's how to view saved passwords in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.